Want to make your DevOps pipeline more secure? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Tenable to integrate security seamlessly into your DevOps workflows, making your system safer without slowing you down. Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll reveal an exclusive deal to get Tenable for free, and I'll walk you through some advanced tips you won't want to miss. First thing you need to know, Tenable is a powerful vulnerability management tool that helps you identify and fix security issues before they become problems. In a DevOps pipeline, you need real-time insights into vulnerabilities, and Tenable does exactly that by scanning your entire environment, from code to containers, giving you clear visibility and helping you prioritize threats. But how do you actually use it? Let's break it down. Next thing you'll want to do is integrate Tenable with your CI/CD pipeline. By connecting it to Jenkins or other CI/CD tools, Tenable can automatically scan your code as it's being built, looking for vulnerabilities at every step. This means you can catch security issues before they reach production, preventing costly breaches later on. The third thing is setting up real-time alerts. Once Tenable is integrated, you'll receive immediate notifications if any vulnerabilities are detected in your pipeline. These alerts are tailored to your needs, whether you're monitoring an individual application or scanning entire infrastructure. This allows you to respond quickly and take action when necessary, without waiting for manual scans. Another thing you'll want to do is leverage Tenable's predictive capabilities. With the platform's analytics, you can spot patterns and trends in your vulnerabilities. This means you won't just be reacting to issues as they arise. You'll have the ability to proactively secure your pipeline, reducing future risks before they escalate. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, keeping your environment compliant. If your DevOps pipeline needs to meet specific regulatory standards, Tenable's automated reporting helps ensure that your pipeline stays compliant without you having to manually check each requirement. This can save a lot of time and effort, ensuring your security practices meet industry standards. To wrap up, Tenable is not just for finding vulnerabilities, it's about continuous, proactive security within your DevOps pipeline. You get automated vulnerability management, real-time alerts, compliance checks, and predictive analytics all working together to safeguard your systems. And here's the best part, you can get started with Tenable completely free. Check the link in the description for our exclusive extended free trial and experience the full power of Tenable without any cost. So remember, if you're serious about securing your DevOps pipeline, Tenable is your go-to tool. And with that exclusive free trial, there's no better time to start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.